Hello, and welcome to my fourth packet tracer video captured using Camtasia, that's the pay version, Cam Studio, the free version of Camtasia. This one is about configuring VTP, which stands for Virtual Trunking Protocol, and that is how switches pass along information that is unrelated to the VLANs that are on them, or rather it's how they pass along all the VLAN information. Okay, so let's begin. We'll just follow the instructions over here. Clicking on the VTP server, going to the CLI tab. Get to global configuration, it says, which those two commands make that happen. Now we set the name, or rather the domain name. There we go. It is now discovery for that VTP domain. And set the VTP mode to server. Well, oh, that set me up for failure. It was already going to do that. Oh well. Now we set the password to Cisco123 with a capital. Exit back to privileged exec mode. Save the configurations. Next step. Now, client 1, CLI, global config, tell it what domain to listen to, which will be discovery. Set the mode to client. And the password. There we go. Save the configurations. Do all that for clients 2 and 3 as well. So let's do that. Get into first privilege exec mode, then global config, and now we just type in the domain name and put it in client mode. And the password. Get out, save the changes. And that was number 2. Now I need to do number 3. turn you into a client as well, because you don't need multiple servers. That just messes stuff up. Not for the same domain anyway. Password. Alright, we saved those changes. Next step on the transparent guy here, which means that he won't listen to any VTP updates at the moment. But he still needs to be part of the domain apparently, so we need to make that happen. Okay, going to the next step. Back to the server. Need to get into global config and configure a new VLAN. So this one will be VLAN 10. And we're going to name it research. Next. Back into the server. Show VTP status while in privileged exec mode, which is what we're in, because of the little sharp sign there, pound sign, whatever you want to call it. Shoe VTP status. Alright, looking at it here. Verify that VLAN 10 is created. Looking for it. And honestly, I'm not seeing it. Oh, verify the password is set to 123. And that the server and the domain is Discovery. So yes, domain name is Discovery, and it is in server operating mode as shown here. Alright, so then we do show VTP password. Cisco 123. That is what we're supposed to have. And then show VLAN. And yep, here we go. VLAN 10 right there. Client 1. And do all that for this one too. So show VTP status. It is in client mode, but it is attached to Discovery for the domain. That is right. Show VTP password. That is also correct. And now show VLAN. Yep, there's 10 right there. So that's good. That's what we want. Now let's make sure on the other couple of clients that we have those right as well. So show VTP status, and it is in client mode as it should be. Domain discovery. Alright, show VTP password. Also correct. Show VLAN. It also has VLAN 10, so we are good. Client 3 over here. Show VTP status. Yep, client. Yep, discovery. Show VTP password. Cisco 123, just like it's supposed to be. Show VLAN. And it also has number 10, so we are good there. Awesome. Okay. And they're supposed to show VLAN 10 even though you don't configure them, because the server kind of makes them see it and has them accept it. Click on VTP client 2 switch and add fast Ethernet 01 to VLAN 10. So client 2 is this one. We're going to put fast Ethernet 01. We're going to attach VLAN 10 to it. I guess it's going to be used for a research computer or some such, as we named that VLAN research. Whoops, don't have to put mode this time. Okay. Save that. Now we're supposed to do the same type of thing to 3, I believe. Right? Yep, client 3. Zero, 1, yep. I believe that's it. Now we're supposed to ping PC1 from PC0. One second, what's PC1's IP? 200.1. Let's see if I did stuff right. Maybe not. Well, that's fun. Let's see what I did wrong. The ports are up. Nothing's shut down, it looks like. The ping should be successful. Well, it's not. So let's figure out why. It's on VLAN 10, so that doesn't make any sense. Also on VLAN 10. Ah, that might be the problem. Odd. Well, let's fix it. Up with VLAN 10 on it. Still. VLAN 10 on port 1. Well, it says I completed it. I don't know why the pings weren't successful. Because you don't have to have the VLAN on client 1, you only have to have it on the ones it's up to. Well, nevertheless, I did it all correctly according to Packet Tracer. And that is all for now.